Hi, my name is Joey Accardo. I'm the Technical Manager for Epiroc Surface and Exploration Drills in the US. And in this segment we're going to discuss accumulators. Accumulators are found on rock drills primarily in our use, however may be found in other applications on equipment. These are high pressure nitrogen accumulators, and some safety precautions need to be kept in mind when handling them. In our case we're going to be wearing gloves and safety glasses, and I'm wearing a hard hat for falling objects. Other PPE may be required based on site conditions. The hazards that we're looking at primarily with an accumulator are that it is in fact a source of stored energy. We have a valve here and two bolts holding it. We never want to dismount the accumulator while it is charged with nitrogen, and we never want to take the valve out while it is charged with nitrogen. So it's always a good idea to check it before handling it. This could also serve as a source of hydraulic oil injection or a flying object hazard if we were to remove something and have it come loose. For more information, contact your local Epiroc service center or distributor partner.